The former student who confessed to shooting and killing 17 people at a high school in Parkland will plead guilty to the charges. News Channel 8's Evan Donovan was in Parkland the night of that shooting 3 years ago. Evan, you're here now. A lot of change has come out of this tragedy.
Yeah, significant changes in Florida law. We've been watching them all along the way, including raising the minimum age to buy guns in Florida from 18 to 21, forced waiting periods, and red flag laws to remove guns from dangerous people. Some have been angered by these changes. Others say they're not enough. 14 students and 3 faculty members were killed in the rampage at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland on Valentine's Day 2018. The mass shooting led to a mass movement of young people nationwide for stricter gun laws, and it led to the creation of the MSD Commission to recommend meaningful changes to Florida legislation, led by Pinellas County Sheriff Bob Gualtieri.
He was already 18. What his mother facilitated was him obtaining a state ID card so that he could then go purchase the firearm.
21 became the minimum age to buy any type of gun in Florida, a requirement the NRA is still suing the state to change. But while some said the changes were too much, others say they weren't enough. Family members of the victims say the 3 years since have been agony. Their fight for change began hours after the shooting.
I've heard some politicians saying it's too early to talk about guns. The families deserve respect. Well, the families are waiting for you to talk about guns. That's what I was waiting for a few hours after knowing that I lost my son.
8 on Your Side reached out to 3 Parkland family members Friday, none of whom were available for an interview, one telling us it was too emotional to speak about.
I was informed that this may perhaps be some type of a plea.
Friday morning in court, an attorney for the former student who confessed to the shootings told the judge that he would plead guilty to 17 counts each of premeditated murder and attempted murder.
But it's our intent to enter a change of plans to both cases, to all charges.
Shortly after the attorney gave notice, Nicholas Cruz appeared in the courtroom to plead guilty on separate charges in another case, which stemmed from a fight with a sheriff's deputy in jail. The judge has scheduled a hearing for next Wednesday for the guilty plea to be officially entered. A jury will then decide whether the suspect faces the death penalty.